Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the sixth task under getting started with deep learning. So we'll just scroll down, and here the sixth task name is natural language processing. But before that, make sure to watch this complete video, guys. After that, click on the start button. So now we'll wait for a while. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more content. So after waiting for nearly 20 minutes, guys, I got this launch icon. Now we'll click on the launch. After clicking launch, it will send us here. Here we'll just double click on the sixth one, and after that this will be loaded. So it is loaded here. Now scroll down and see the same thing we have to do. Click on that and this will be our first one. Now see, star is coming, so we have to wait. Now star has gone. Now here number has came here. Okay, so now first is done. Now this will be our second one, so we'll just run it. Second is done. This will be our third one. Guys, again I am repeating, guys, like you can take this in your project, guys. It's an important thing, like I am saying this, because if this is saving your time, then you should do it. So fifth is done. Now this will be our sixth one, and this will be some unique project if you will take, and it will really boost your mark, guys. So 7 is done. Now this will be our 8th one. Now this will be our 9th one. Now here we'll just click on it, and this will be our 10th one. Then this comes our 11th. Then here comes the 12th one. So we will wait for a while. Okay, so 12 is done. Just ignore this. Then comes the 13th one, so we'll just run it. 13 is done, and here comes the 14th one. 14, then 15 will come here, and after that 16 will be this one. I think this one is small one, so this is 16. Then this will be our 17th one. Then here comes the 18th one. Then here the 19th one. Okay, so everything is coming directly. We don't need to wait for any of the code to run. So 20 is done, and here comes the 21. We'll just run it, and I think we have to wait. No, 21 is done. We don't need to wait for this one. Then this will be our 22nd one. Here it will run. For this, I think we have to wait. We'll just wait for it. Now 22 is done. Just ignore this, and after that this will be our 23rd one, and here comes the 24th one. We'll just run it, and here the 25th one. We'll just scroll down, and this will be our 26th. Then here 27, then 28 will come here. Again scroll down and run this one. After this, make sure that you just save it. Just double click on this and it will be saved. Now come to the place from where we have started this challenge, and just click on the stop task. After that, click on confirm. Guys, I don't say this at the starting of the video. Just please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more content, guys. And if you face any kind of error, you can comment in the comment section, guys. I'll be following you up as soon as possible, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So we'll meet in the 7th task. Until that, take care. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.